Hey guys, this is Jordan from Rapido Trains Inc. and it's time for another unboxing video. This month we have something very exciting. It's our all-new HO scale BART trains, or Bay Area Rapid Transit. This is the legacy fleet Class A, B, and C cars that were in service right from inauguration in 1972 all the way to, I believe, 2023, 2024 when they were finally withdrawn. So I've already got one of the Class C cars unboxed here. I'm going to unbox the Class A's and B's right now. There we go. And I mean, just look at that beautiful box. Josh and the team did a fantastic job with the art. It just screams BART. BART! I'll show you some of the stuff you get in the box. First off, here's your operator's manual. There is the exploded parts diagram. As always, these are available on our website, rapidotrains.com. We also have decals for choosing the number you want to use on your cars. Of course, there's the magic wand for your lighting. Take off the lid. And I will very quickly unbox one of the A and the B cars. As I mentioned, we've got the three different types. There's the Class A car. This is probably the most famous of the BART cars, of course. As you can see, we've got full detail here. We've got the tinted windows, full cab interiors, the separately applied grab handles, and look at all that underbody detail there, all of the electronics, the mechanical bits that you'd see on the real BART trains. We are actually able to get underneath the BART cars, actually one of the A-Class cars when we were visiting a couple of years ago, so maybe click the video and have a look at it there. Again, there's the B-Class intermediates. Those fit right in between. See all the neat end detail there with the doors. And of course, the flat-ended C cars. So these are really cool. Even if you're not modeling San Francisco, they're just a really cool set to have. They're so iconic. So these are now in stores. You can still get them through rapidotrains.com. BART actually offers these through their Railgoods store, so visit the BART website for that, and you can also order them through your dealer. So that's just a very quick overview of our BART A, B, and C class legacy cars. We will see you very soon for another Rapido video. Bye now.
Lunatics!